Interior and exterior angles of a regular hexagon. Let's find its interior and exterior angles using two different methods. Method 1. Using the interior angle formula. A regular hexagon has 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. The formula for the sum of interior angles of any regular polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. For a hexagon, n is 6. So 6 minus 2 gives 4. That means the hexagon can be divided into 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangles. Each triangle has an angle sum of 180 degrees. So the total interior angle sum is 4 times 180 degrees. Because this is a regular polygon, all interior angles are equal. To find each interior angle, divide the interior angle sum by the number of angles, which is also 6. So the interior angle of a regular hexagon is 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees and then divided by 6, which simplifies to 120 degrees. Exterior angles in a regular polygon. The sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degrees. Since a regular hexagon has 6 equal exterior angles, divide 360 degrees by 6. That gives 60 degrees for each exterior angle. Method 2. Using the straight line relationship. The interior angle and exterior angle form a straight line. So together they add up to 180 degrees. We already know the exterior angle is 360 degrees divided by 6, which is 60 degrees. So the interior angle is 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which again gives 120 degrees. So both methods give the same result. Each interior angle of a regular hexagon is 120 degrees and each exterior angle is 60 degrees. If you enjoyed this lesson and want more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.